We all know dishwashers make mealtimes easy. However, food, grease and debris can build up over time, causing standing water and unpleasant odours. There are things you can do to stop this happening. Start with an empty dishwasher, then remove and clean the filter. Check the drain and remove any food debris that can cause a blockage. Place the filter in warm, soapy water and soak for 10 minutes. Gently scrub anything left behind. Once clean, replace it in your dishwasher. Next, unclog the spray arms. Unscrew or unclip them gently and place them in warm, soapy water with a cup of white vinegar. Use tweezers to remove any food from the holes. Rinse and shake well, wipe with a soft cloth, then return them to the dishwasher. For additional cleaning, you can use white vinegar or bicarbonate of soda. Add a dishwasher-safe bowl with 1 cup of white vinegar to the top rack and run a hot cycle. This helps break down food and grease and combats odours. After the vinegar cycle, sprinkle a cup of bicarbonate of soda in the bottom and run a quick cycle to tackle stains and deodorise the machine. To maintain your appliance, clean the filter at least once a week and run a monthly cleaning cycle.